If you see stitching blowing in the wind, don't mind, because the steering wheel is not finished. No traction, gang, boys. I know I said I wasn't gonna do any fun runs. It's been a while. Just tell them real quick what you have changed on this car since we ran last time.
So it's full Cobb downpipe, bypass valve, goooo bypass valve,
Nice.
Cobb intake. What else? Stage 2 Plus tune by
Nice.
Ambot tuning.
I'm nervous. What do you have power numbers?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's what they all say, right? Is this the SI killer or what? Is this gonna be an SI killer? Win or lose, let's get it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you guys are liking this video. We better bring that driving to the table, boys. Let's go. Yeah. All right. Woo! Those are the best ones, side by side, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like this video. Drop your comments down below and be sure to subscribe. Maybe I'll put up another video for you guys. Who knows? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. K24 is running super strong right now, guys. I knew it was gonna be a good day when I took this thing out and the way it was just driving. I'm gonna joke with him and say that I hit nitrous. I hit a 35 shot. That's the only way I got him. Watch. What'd you think, bro?
That was fucking sick.
It was sick, right?
We were right next to each other like the whole time.
You know why,
shit.
right?
Why?
I hit a 35 shot of nitrous, dude.
Yeah, okay.
I'm fucking with you, bro. All right, guys, just finishing up the night, putting some new brakes on. I put fresh oil in the SI here.